Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to set up session indicator on TradingView. All right, let's begin. First, open TradingView and go to your chart. At the top toolbar, click on the Indicators button to open the indicator library. In the search bar, type Session and review the available options. Select a session indicator, such as the built-in Sessions by TradingView for a reliable starting point. Once selected, it will automatically appear on your chart, with colored regions highlighting active market sessions. Next, locate the indicator on your chart and click the gear icon to open its settings. Here, you can customize which sessions to display, such as London, New York, or Tokyo. Choose the ones that match your trading strategy. Make sure to set the correct time zone so the session timings align with your market or broker. You can also adjust colors and opacity to improve visibility without cluttering your chart. Pick shades that contrast with your candles, while keeping the chart clean and easy to read. After adjusting everything, click OK to apply the changes. So that's basically how you can set up Session Indicator on TradingView. That's it for this video. Thanks.